Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I feel like a cup of coffee. Alrighty. Thought I would dust off the, I hear bugs. The IKEA utensil holder. I did this in a video quite a while ago. I'm gonna dust it off. So that's gonna be my pot today, my stove today. So I'm trying to use a stove in every outing. Got my Stanley cook set for two, which I actually just did a quick video on. My coffee mug, my sugar. Man, I've been loving these little canvas bags. I got the Wildland Coffee. These are just literally just coffee in a tea bag, so I'm gonna be using that. I got two of them. I've got some hazelnut creamer, because why not? And I'm gonna need a fire, so I'm gonna need firewood. So I gotta dig out my pack and get my firewood. Gloves and saw. Alright, so I got the, now this is just a steamer rack. I'm using it to elevate it off the ground to get the airflow underneath. And my bro, Volley Theory, had suggested doing almost like a Swedish torch with your fuel down inside the stove. Get rid of this bark I don't need. I mean, I'm only boiling water, but still, I like to have a fire. So, some of these aren't all to cut the same, but I can live with that. I've got some birch bark right here. And I've got some little twigs right there. Come on. Got a little got a little bit of old man's beard mixed in here. Oh, I think this is not leveling. There we go. Sweet. I love the melt. I've already melted one, so. Nice. That went right up pretty much. Yeah, she's off to a good start. Like I said, I don't need a big fire. I'm literally just boiling water, but it's a pretty decent little stove. I think I got that at a thrift store. I believe it was 99 cents or $1.99. But I think they're new at our IKEA for what was it? I think $3.99. Might be a little bit more now because of inflation. Burning right up. Nice. I got my. This is just a metal skewer I bought at a Asian market. Well, I have faith in the stove. See, it's sinking in the ground slightly, so it's not super level. Because everything is sand around here. I just have to watch it carefully. Yeah, I'm liking that Volley Theory. I'll link his channel below. I think I mentioned that, but if I didn't, that's Dimension. I haven't had to lift the pot up to do anything. It's just been plugging right along. I didn't think I needed the skewers, but I didn't want to choke the stove off by putting it just on the top, because they're kind of close together, or close in size, but giving it that way gives it a little bit of air, I guess. So just gotta wait for my water. I might be seeing some steam already. Let's see. Nope, guess I was wrong. Alright, now we're seeing some serious steam. Oh yeah. Set that off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 cups of coffee, but I'm just going to throw both tea bags right into the water. Like this. So you just tear these up and they're single serve. Just plop those in. Oop, got the label. I didn't want to do that, but yeah, that worked great. Very happy with that. Where's my lid? Alright, I just gotta steep that coffee. Alright, get that coffee poured. Directions said about wait, steep it about 5 to 8 minutes. It looks a little, yeah, maybe there's too many holes. It's not very dark. Smells good though. What I did, I put 2 cups of water in here, plus I had about another 1/4 cup of water to, because the coffee bags will soak up some. That may have been a mistake. I guess we'll see. All right, let's get that coffee poured. Directions said about wait, steep it about 5 to 8 minutes. It looks a little, yeah, maybe there's too many holes. It's not very dark. Smells good though. What I did, I put 2 cups of water in here, plus I had about another 1/4 cup of water to, because the coffee bags will soak up some. That may have been a mistake. I guess we'll see. She looks like all burned down. Quite the coals going. All right. Get the hazelnut creamer. It's not bad at all. It's real good, actually. Get the one sweetener, the Truvia, 2 things of hazelnut creamer from Coffee Mate. Make you work. And then, yeah. Man, that IKEA stove worked really well. I like the the Swedish torch method where you just kind of put everything in there. It works really well. So, thank you, brother. So I do read your comments. As soon as I'm done with my coffee, I can start making lunch. So I'm actually getting hungry. So as always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.